Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mini quiche with puff pastry. First, ensure your puff pastry is thawed. One sheet usually takes about 20 minutes at room temperature. While it thaws, gather your main ingredients: 2 to 4 large eggs, about 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, and 1/4 cup of cream or milk. Also, prepare any delicious fillings you desire, like cooked bacon or finely diced vegetables. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 12-cup muffin tin. Now let's get hands-on. Roll out your thawed puff pastry to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then, cut it into 12 squares, roughly 4 inches each, or use a 3-inch round cutter for perfect circles. Carefully press each pastry piece into the greased muffin tin cups, creating a little shell. In a separate bowl, whisk together your eggs, cream or milk, a pinch of salt, and pepper. Finally, fold in your delicious fillings and shredded cheese, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your egg and filling mixture into each puff pastry shell, filling them about 3/4 of the way full. Be careful not to overfill, as the quiches will puff up beautifully in the oven. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the puff pastry is golden brown and the egg filling is set and slightly puffed. A quick test with a toothpick in the center should come out clean. Once baked, let your mini quiches cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes before carefully removing them. They are absolutely delicious served warm, but also make a fantastic grab-and-go snack at room temperature. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Feel free to get creative with your next batch. Try different cheeses like Gruyere or feta, or explore fillings such as sautéed spinach, mushrooms, or diced ham for endless flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.